How to undo and redo changes in Ocenaudio. First of all, when you make any changes to your audio file in Ocenaudio, like trimming, applying effects, or cutting a section, you can undo it immediately by pressing Ctrl Z on your keyboard. This shortcut works just like in many other programs and will take you one step back in your editing history. Next, if you decide to bring that change back, you can redo it by pressing Ctrl Shift Z. This shortcut will reapply the last undone action, allowing you to move forward in your editing without redoing everything manually. Also, you can access both the undo and redo option from the edit menu at the top of the window. Click edit and you will see both undo and redo listed along with their respective shortcuts. This is useful if you prefer using your mouse instead of keyboard commands. Keep in mind that Ocenaudio doesn't support the long undo history like some advanced editors. So once you close the program, your undo history is gone. Make sure to double check your edits before exiting if you are working on something important. And that's it. Now you know how to undo and redo changes in Ocenaudio. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.